Oh boy, I'm so. Hey y'all, Dominoes 7 here on this Facebook Live and stuff like that. How I feel right now, I'm very much touched, happy and everything. I'm so happy I could just cry. I'm so happy right now. I'm so glad my best friend called to hang out with me. You know, I miss that though. I really miss that. You know, I seen our beautiful baby, newborn baby, so beautiful. I could just cry. I'm so happy right now. I'm very happy. You know, my auntie gonna watch this and wonder. You know, I'm just so happy right now. I'm touched right now. I never cried happy a day in my life. You know, I never cried happy a day in my life. You know. I'm just happy. I seen Erica today, my other friend, you know, and also and then my best friend called me, you know. I'm so touched. I could just cry, you know. I'm so happy. I've never been this happy in my life. Yes, I've never been this happy in my whole life. I'm putting this on Facebook because she's my Facebook friend, and sister slash best friend is also my Facebook friend and all that. And then my people is also on my Facebook. And you know, this gonna eventually be on YouTube. You know, I'm so happy I could just cry. You know, I never cried tears of joy a day in my life. You know, I've never been this happy at all. You know. I'm very much touched, you know, very happy, you know. I'm very much happy, you know. I'm watching Jeopardy right now, you know. I mean, this the most happiest moment of my life. I can't believe that just happened. Did that just happen? Did it just happen? You know. That's all I wonder, you know. That's all I wonder. Oh. That was so wonderful for her. You know, she said I could come around and all that. I mean, I'm very touched. You know, I'm very touched and happy and everything. You know, I mean, I ain't expect this at all. You know, I'm gonna do my gameplay later. You know, and then I'm gonna do a YouTube live. You know, I'm very happy. You know, I am extremely happy. Oh, that really touched my heart. You know. That really touched my heart to the fullest. That don't mean I like her like that, you know. Okay. And then Erica, on another hand, I was so glad to see her at this grocery store. But I'm not gonna say where's the name of the store she works at. It's a corner store. She got promoted as something I don't even know what it is. You know. All right. So it ain't nobody's business what she do. You know. Okay. I'm touched right now. My heart is full of love, you know. I mean, I just can't believe this had to happen. I'm happy this had to happen, and my mama gone and stuff like that. I mean, Shamika reminds me of my mama, you know. Every time I help her out, it reminds me of my mama and stuff like that, you know. My mama gone. Although I miss my mama though, Christina, I have to mention her name though. I still miss my mama, and you know my auntie, my mama older sister, very close with my mama, you know. And not only that, my mama younger sister, you know, I still remember this like it was yesterday, you know. I remember when I was a baby, I don't remember what year it was, you know. Sharon, my auntie, was pushing Reginald on the stroller. We all was babies that time. Me, Reginald, and Brock. You know, I still remember that. I mean, because she invited me over and stuff like that, I had a flashback of my mama. You know, I don't know how many flashbacks it was. You know, it was a few flashbacks. You know, I mean. I still remember that my mom and my auntie, my mama younger sister, they was having a nice talk. Oh, I honestly, I'm touched, y'all. I'm very touched. You know, I'm happy and everything. You know. Yeah, I'm very much happy. You know, I I had to bring this up, you know, what happened when I was a baby. I think I was 2 years old, I do believe. Or 1 year old, I don't know. I don't recall how old I was, you know. Yep. I'm very touched right now, you know, and happy, you know. I never cried tears of joy and happiness in my life, you know. I mean, that's all I got to say, all right? I'm about to do a YouTube live, all right? All right, bye.